Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your IBAN on Raiffeisen Bank. First, open the Raiffeisen app on your phone. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Once the app opens, go to the Home section. On this screen, you will see a list of all your accounts. This includes your checking accounts, savings accounts, or any other accounts you have with Raiffeisen Bank. Next, tap on the account for which you want to find the IBAN. You will now see the main details of this account. To see more information, tap on the Account Details option. After you tap on Account Details, the app will show all your account information. Here you can see your account number, the IBAN, and sometimes the SWIFT or BIC code. The IBAN is a long number starting with your country code. This number is important for sending or receiving money, especially for international transfers. You can also copy your IBAN directly from this screen if you need to use it for online payments or share it with someone who wants to send you money. Thanks for watching.